I am Peter SHANKAYA, a Zambian mining engineer now working for Surpac in Burkina Faso. I've got significant hands-on experience with the three major mining packages that you guys provide to us: Surpac, Whittle, and MineSched. I tend to use Surpac and Whittle quite a lot. But what I love about it is the fact that you can be very creative in the way how you set up, for instance, MineSched. You can easily produce very user-friendly reports that are easier to analyze and then give you a much easier and global picture of what you're doing and planning. Surpac, pretty good to handle with block models. The beauty about it is the mathematical logic that goes into it. So it's quite easy to define things using the mathematical logic in the constraint files and that sort of thing when generating reports or setting up things for material classification. The reason why we chose GEOVIA was, first of all, I think the skill available in Africa is a little bit tilted towards GEOVIA inclined geologists and mining engineers and subsequently surveyors. So that sort of makes it easier on training. Some software have a little bit of a sort of a reverse logic to doing things. With Surpac or particularly Surpac, it's got a more straightforward, like it's almost in the same language as you would like recalling functions or practice them as you would normally do something in everyday life. So that kind of makes it intuitive to work with. One of the areas where I found GEOVIA software quite useful is when you're creating schedules that you're eventually going to run in MineSched. The Surpac platform prepares the data very well such that it's easier for you once you pull in the model to define your material types and then use wildcards to create essentially short scripted portions of the material type names and then customize reports. And then essentially what then that does for you is you are able to create very many dynamic reports or charts, if you like, later on and along the way. It just makes things easier.